This is a map that I did, and it is a island country. Um, it's kind of like a different kind of place in the multiverse, but um, anyway, so that's the name of it, and I forget the translation. But I was working on Conlang's construction language and neography, and I was also looking at world building at this time. And so you can see there's a volcanic mountain. There's the sea monster on the edge of the map. This is supposed to be a scale of some sort. Let me see that. Yeah, that's a scale in kilometers or whatever. But so let me see if there's any other features of this map. Oh, here's one. Is that Mount Kosh, I think? Mount ISIL number? I don't know. I think it's actually supposed to be a Bronchiosaurus or something in there, you see. But interestingly, I used an ink blot and then I traced over the ink blot in order to make this map with Sharpie. And I actually denoted the features. There's a city right here, and as you can see, that uses a Conlang as the name of the city. There's a giant waterfall down here. This region of the map is essentially Florida. It's similar to Florida. And then over here, I think that was supposed to be the capital or something. It's way out in the ocean. I don't know. Anyway, this is just really cool. You can do this with some food coloring, where you put the food coloring on some cardstock, which is what this is, and you fold it in half so as to create symmetry or near symmetry between the two sides of the ink blot. And then if you get it a little bit more asymmetrical or off from that symmetry, you can actually use it like a map. Yeah, for like a children's book or something like that. That's usually why I would do these sorts of things.